Gala Games at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after an aggressive bounce to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02369. And on today's update video, I will be discussing Fibonacci key areas of support that you need to continue holding above, and above all dive deep into the 4-hour chart, discussing an additive structure that I have been observing from the highs we made above the 0.02369. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, you can see that we saw this aggressive bounce over here, making that significant high. Then we started a pullback to the downside, and in this pullback over here, I have been expecting to see Gala Games holding within Fibonacci key areas of support, and the Fibonacci key area of support was given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down here to the highs, and on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.01431 and the 0.01772, and I can mark that target area here on the charts, and you can see that we have now fully maximized that target area, and now is the high time that the bulls get back into the market and give us a reversal within this target area, give us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs. But if by any chance we don't see the bulls getting back into the market and we continue seeing that selling pressure in the markets, then it is most likely that we are going to lose support on the fib level 0.78, and the moment that plays out, then I will be expecting the last line of support on the Fibonacci's above the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the 0.01318 to hold and also give us another bounce back. But if by any chance we lose that line of support, then I will be expecting a more bearish case scenario where we can easily get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. So that is the reason as to why we need to continue holding within these daily Fibonacci key area of support. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, here I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made up here, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of the second wave, so another pullback in the formation of that wave 3, a bounce in the formation of the wave 4, and whatever is playing out is the formation of that wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of the wave 3, and on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01152 as my next target area, and that means that it is most likely that we are going to see another pullback to the downside, and even on the worst case scenario, get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April. So stay cautious and stay vigilant, and I will ensure that you stay up to date.